Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn about one more important option of Route 53. So before introducing about that option, so let us discuss about the need of that option. Let's say if you want to create and manage records for group of resources. If you want to if you want to create and manage records for a group of resources. So in this case, even those resources will perform same operation that perform same operations. Even those resources perform same operations. You can take an example of web servers for same domain. Web servers for same domain. So what happens? So if you create multiple web servers for the same domain, then they use same records, right? Yes. So if you want, if you want to create and manage records for group of resources, that is nothing but group of web servers. You create web server for you create web server, a single web server for your website? No, you create a group of web servers, right? Yeah. So if you are maintaining such a group of web servers or such a group of resources, and for those resources, if you want to create and manage records, then at that scenario, you need to use the option. So what is the option that you need to use is AWS Route 53 transfer flow. What is that? Transfer flow. So this is a Route 53 transfer flow. Route 53 transfer flow. So let us write that. We use Route 53 transfer flow. So let us make it as heading because now we are discussing about in detail about this Route 53 transfer flow. Okay. So in transfer flow, what do we define? We define obviously records, right? Yeah. So how many records can I able to define at a time? At a time, you can even define hundreds of records in transfer flow. In transfer flow, we define, we can able to define hundreds of records. So we can able to define hundreds of records. How? How we can define these hundreds of records? We can define these hundreds of records as, so remember the word, that is traffic policy. What is that? Traffic policy. By using the traffic policy, you can able to define hundreds of records in this Route 53 traffic flow, right? Yeah. We can create and see. So where do we create this traffic policy and where do we see this traffic policy? So we can create and see. So in order to do those two things, we have visual editor. What is that? Visual editor. So let me write that point as well. We can able to create and see these traffic policies under where we can able to create and see these traffic policies in visual editor. Where? In visual editor. Okay. That is, we can able to combine multiple routing policies. Actually, we are having multiple routing policies and health checks as well. So we can able to combine those multiple routing policies and health checks in a single traffic policy configuration. So what does it indicates? That means creating and seeing the traffic policies in visual editor. What does this word indicates is we can able to combine, we can able to combine multiple routing policies, and health checks as well. Some of the routing policies may not offer the health checks. So we combine multiple routing policies and health checks in a single configuration, in a single traffic policy configuration. So let's say we created a traffic policy record. Now, then this traffic policy, what it will do? Then this traffic flow, what it will do by using this traffic policy. So let's say when you create a policy record, policy. So when we create a policy record, then what happens is this traffic flow, then this traffic flow creates all the records automatically for you. Creates all the records automatically for you. So whatever the records that you provided under this traffic policy record, under this traffic policy configuration, those all records will be created by whom? Traffic flow. This traffic flow will automatically create all those records for you. Even it provides you automatic versioning as well. So even this provides you automatic versioning. What does it mean by automatic versioning? So automatic, so what does this automatic versioning means? This automatic versioning indicates all your older versions of traffic policies will be available. All your older versions of your traffic policies are available until you delete them, until you delete them. So until you delete them, all the older version policies are available for you. Okay. So let's say you created a policy record, then what this traffic flow will do? It will create automatically all records for you, right? Yeah. So let's say I created a policy record and I associated with, why do we create this policy record? In order to associate to either domain or subdomain, right? Yeah. So that is, you can use this policy record to create records in your hosted zone. That is, in single hosted zone, can you able to use, or multiple hosted zones you can able to use? Multiple hosted zones also you can able to use. So you can use this policy record to create records in your multiple hosted zone. So once you create the policy and attach this policy record to your domains or subdomain name records. So at that time, what happens? This transfer flow will generate automatically all your records to your domain or subdomain, so that it will be very useful for you to create records for multiple hosted zones, right? Yeah. So this is useful when using the same host for multiple domains. So, so this transfer flow. So this transfer flow, this transfer flow, transfer record, this transfer flow traffic policy is useful for what? When you are using the same host, when you're using the same host for multiple domains. So when you're using the same host for multiple domains, this is highly useful for us because it automatically creates, right? Whenever we create and run this policy under traffic transfer flow, then it will automatically create. We create the policy record and we associate it with our domain name or subname record, and then we simply use it to create our multiple records, right? Yeah. So remember one more point. Your geo proximity routing policy is available only if you are using traffic flow. What? Your geo proximity routing. Your geo proximity routing is your geo proximity routing is only available only if you use traffic flow. If you use traffic flow, if you use traffic flow, then only this geo proximity routing will be available for you. So this is about Route 53 transfer flow. So I hope you understood all the important points regarding this Route 53 transfer flow option. I hope this video is contentful. If you feel this video is contentful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye, guys. Thanks for watching again.